shape.
Today, we are surprising my youngest brother, Paul, with a surprise engagement proposal. No, not me. I'm not proposing. My brother's boyfriend, soon-to-be fiance, hopefully, is going to propose to my youngest brother. Shane and Paul have been dating for such a long time, since pretty much they were in damn near middle school, and Shane called my brother Peter and I to help him pull off the surprise of a lifetime, a secret proposal in Los Angeles.
And boom, Shane will be in waiting.
Paul's like around the house, so we're all like tiptoeing.
Shane's profile.
Are you nervous?
I think it's great.
We're here to help you. Like, we're just setting the backdrop. You're doing all the work. I love me a good challenge and a good surprise, and I have the best team to do it. I have Team Starrr, which includes Peter, my brother, Jose, Chelsea, and Aldo, and guess who else works with us? Paul. So this is going to be quite the challenge, and I hope that we can pull this off without Paul finding out. It's gonna be tough. As family, we have been a part of each other's biggest milestones, but this is the biggest one yet. I hope he says yes.
Well, we technically met in high school. We were in band together. He was in the color guard, and I played tuba. He also played flute. And, we were just kind of, friends, classmates, normal stuff. And we didn't really start, talking until we were well into college. And we were actually teaching a marching band together. I chose to involve you guys because family is a big thing for Paul, and the Starrr family is also obviously very close. I wanted to have y'all's approval as well, to make sure you guys are all tracking on the whole situation, but two, you guys mean so much to Paul. I felt like reaching out to y'all for help with this event, because you guys have been there for so many of his other great accomplishments, and his events was only just fitting.
So when it comes to pulling off a party, we have to have a theme. Is it the color? Is it the space? I had none of the above. So I got inspired by the couple themselves, Paul and Shane, and they are not very glitzy and glamorous. So I thought of the natural theme being a garden. And because this is a big, huge secret, we decided to go with a theme. The secret garden.
We're gonna call Shane Michael Bublé. So with Michael Bublé.
Like the bubbly water?
No, you guys don't know Michael Bublé.
What is Bublé?
You don't know who Michael Bublé is?
No.
He did the bubbly water commercial.
Birds flying.
Yeah, he did
the commercial. You know how.
Oh, I didn't know that. Like, he sang that.
And I'm feeling.
Oh.
So to get inspo, I turned to Pinterest. Pinterest has the best images for secret garden. I didn't want it to be too rustic. I wanted it to be colorful to represent their love. They have a beautiful, colorful home in Florida. So I wanted the colors to be just wildflowers in different bunch of tones and hues to just captivate the love that they have for each other. So after looking on Pinterest for hours, I go ahead and put all my images on a mood board, and then I come up with an objective/vision. So if you guys are pulling off a party, I suggest getting Canva and putting your objective and vision onto paper, and organizing all of your slides on Canva really helps allow you and your ideas to be funneled in one organized spot. So as you guys can see here, I have this creative brief for the secret proposal. I have my objective and vision, I have decor elements, I have a color palette, I have styling concepts for a proposal and backdrop. This one was so fun. Concepts for a tablescape, because this is where we'll be eating the majority of the time. But the biggest dilemma is finding a venue. Chelsea, my lovely esthetician classmate Chelsea, helped me source locations and themes. But I think since Shane wants support on design, us girls know how to throw a party. So that was. Why do you play so much?
I picked 10 options for you.
Perfect.
So the Beverly Hills Hotel, they have a polo room and garden. She's sending me over pictures of the private garden back here, but this would be ideal for the proposal, and then we can walk in to the dining hall and like eat. Dramatic. They have everything, so it's like a one-stop shop here.
Thank God we found a venue. So we landed on the iconic Beverly Hills Hotel, which is a legendary LA hideaway famous for playing host and friends to Hollywood's royalty for over a century. And I think that this hotel serves the perfect backdrop to a secret proposal in the garden area. So let me tell you about what was available to us. This is the Polo Private Dining Salon. It consists of a Polo Private Dining patio and a private dining room. So when it comes to pulling off a surprise, I love going into a floor plan. Having a floor plan, I don't care if you draw it or you put it on Canva, whatever you gotta do, put it out on paper and that will help you. Canva has been my best friend. And of course, my lovely team members. If you guys don't know, Chelsea and Aldo went to go do a walkthrough.
Just arrived at the Beverly Hills Hotel. We're gonna go talk to the events coordinator. We're so excited. Come on, come on.
Oh, and I'm here too.
Oh, Aldo's here too, guys. Aldo's here too.
When I tell you we have the best freaking venue ever, nothing now can go wrong. Or can it?
A few moments later.
I just seen you recording and you were stressing me out. I was like, oh my God, he's gonna notice. He's gonna know this. Why are you recording?
I was recording that whole thing.
He's gonna get an idea.
Shin's gonna propose to me.
You this weekend? He's gonna do this weekend.
No.
Not without me.
No.
Pat goes, not without me.
Hello.
We're exploring the famous Beverly Hills Hotel. We can all be hiding. Do you like that idea? Are you nervous?
I think it's great. Very.
Thank you for joining us. Paul's like around the house, so we're all like tiptoeing. We're like,
and then out here through these doors, obviously the curtains can close so that Paul can't see any of us hiding behind, waiting for him to enter.
isn't it so hard? We were just talking about how we're gonna film and surprise, and then in walks Paul. What are you guys doing? And me and Peter are like, we're airdropping all our footage to each other. Okay, it looks official. We are vlogging the experience so you can see all the trials and tribulations.
Hi there.
How do you feel?
Heart is pounding through my chest. It's weird.
We only have one chance to get this right, and I'm excited.
Thank you guys so much. See you soon.
All right, bye.
Oh my God, being around Paul today, the day before, I can't, I'm sweating. I'm over here making a phone call, trying to make an appointment for a haircut for Shane, and they're asking me, what's the name for the person? And I go, and we hear knock, and it's into the office. To my Instagram search bar, Shane's profile.
You can't hear it, but we're blasting EDM music in the house. So, like, when do we ever play EDM music in here? My mom normally sends this, okay, we're on our flight. May God bless you and protect us on our flight. And then yesterday, she's like, I might text by accident. I said, don't say anything by accident. And our dad forgot to stop sharing the location. They're at the airport. Tomorrow, we'll go off without a hitch. Tomorrow will be perfect. Tomorrow will be perfect.
This is our last meeting before the big day.
Okay, guys, I think it's time for Peter to reveal that they're invited. Good luck, Peter. Okay, guys, we're gonna do it.
I got a message for you. The Beverly Hills.
Beverly Hills what? They're doing a tasting tomorrow. Oh. So we have to dress up real nice. We. When is it? Where is it? At the Beverly Hills Hotel. At what time? I think 4:30, but we'll leave like a little bit before. Okay. Yeah. I mean. Okay. Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Ah, scared me.
Look who's here.
Surprise! Oh my gosh, we're so excited, and my lips are sealed.
Good job.
Oh my god, hi! Welcome to our Hello, hi! Oh my god, hi guys!
See you tomorrow.
Literally tomorrow.
Oh my gosh, it's the man of it today. Let's go. Hey.
to say? Shane, you thinking of what to say?
No speech.
No speech, just already down?
Hmm?
Or are you just gonna be like...
It'd be so simple. It'd be so quick. Get it over with.
Ah!
If I don't cry first.
You probably gonna cry.
3 words. First 3.
About damn time.
Hey! About damn time. Shane. Let's go.
What are a couple things you want to tell Shane before he proposes?
Ooh.
Just be honest. Just
Say it.
live his life that he wants.
Say it straight from the heart. Say it straight from the heart. Nothing prepared. I'm just gonna go after it. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. Relax, 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 relax. Take a deep breath.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was just very easy to kind of assimilate. Like everybody has just been so welcoming and nice, and I thank them for a lot. As soon as I told Paul's parents, they were like, "Oh my gosh, let's go get dinner right now." They took me out to Disney, and we talked and all that. She was like, "Man, you better watch over my son. You better protect him. Nothing bad's gonna happen to him," and all the things. And I'm like, "Yes, absolutely."
Oh my god, Rosalie! Say hi to the vlog! Oh, she's doing something else. Never mind. Okay, there you are. Say hi. Oh!
Alright, time to pick our clothes for the day. This food better be good.
Does he know? Girl, how am I supposed to change? Get out
No,
of
no,
here.
you gotta show them your options.
It's just this.
What other options do we got?
Nothing. I would be fine wearing that.
Quality time's a big thing for us, just sitting in silence in the same room with each other. In college, one of my favorite dates was just us studying together on like the top floor of the library where we just didn't talk for hours and just looking at each other and into each other's eyes, just a couple times just glancing and everything like that. And we still kind of do that. We just enjoy being in each other's space.
Jose's eating again.
I'm stressed eating again. Oh my god.
10 minutes, everybody! 10 minutes!
Okay, guys, we just made it to the Beverly Hills Hotel.
Vertical.
We just made it to the Beverly Hills Hotel. Are you excited?
This food better be good.
Hey, it's me, Shane. A little nervous. They're on their way. They'll be here in about 10 minutes, and my life's gonna change, and it's gonna be great. And I can't wait for it. I love you, Paul.
Uh-huh. Oh, wow. Oh, amazing, yeah.
Wow, content creator. Oh, Julie, what are you doing? Shane, what are you?
Beautiful.
Hi. You're here. You're here.
I love you so much.
Me too.
Thank you for putting up with me.
It's putting up with me.
Thank you for being vulnerable around me. I love you so
I
much.
love you too. Oh my gosh.
Will you marry me?
Yes. Lord. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Are you okay?
Okay.
You okay?
Thank you for everything. Oh, thank you.
Wow. When did you get here?
This morning.
This morning. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. Oh my gosh. You okay?
Yeah. I've been thinking about this for a while, so.
Congratulations. We're saying congratulations.
Who else is here? Is Patrick here?
Oh.
Wait, who else is here? Oh, okay.
Everything just worked. So the surprise, the venue was beautiful, family, friends being there. My mom even was able to show up. Some of the best moments I've had to date with my mom, I was able to have that weekend as well. I've never seen her that happy before. Like, everything about it just went perfectly, and I'm very, very thankful for everybody involved that helped put it together, that showed up, that had a little piece of the puzzle for this. Like, I was emotional during it, after it. It was just a huge thanks to everybody. I saw and I continue to see how much family means to not only Paul but all of you guys. I see how much his mom and dad are in his life and in y'all's lives, and still supportive and everything like that. And I felt like that was very, very, very important for him to be surrounded by the people that will always love him, that will always cherish him, even his best friends. There's a core group of people that always want to see you succeed and always want to be there for your highs. They're going to always be there for your lows as well, right? So I thought that was important, and the relationship that you all have as a family is so awesome to see and be around, and it's infectious, and I thought it was important to kind of have that aspect.
To Shane, congratulations on pulling off the best proposal ever. Peter and I and the team were just here to support your dream. And to everyone watching, this is what it's about. It's about creating memories and moments to last a lifetime for all of you to look back on. And I hope to create many more memories to share with all of you on this channel. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!